Ever wondered how beginners can start investing smartly from day one? The first step is understanding your money, income, expenses, and savings. Start by tracking every dollar you earn and spend. Follow a simple rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investment. Next, open a beginner-friendly investment account: stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Don't invest blindly. Smart investors study the market before risking a single dollar. Even beginners can win if they learn the right financial skills early. Budgeting, valuation, and smart investing, these are your real money weapons. Start small but stay consistent, and your money will start working for you. Follow Finance Fox and turn your financial knowledge into real wealth. Track your money like a pro, because what you measure grows. Understand inflation, or it will silently destroy your wealth. Avoid bad debt and focus only on assets that pay you back. Build an emergency fund, because life is unpredictable. Reinvest your profits and let compounding do the magic. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built with discipline. Use this checklist to stay on track and watch your wealth grow. Even beginners can become wealthy if they start now. Learn daily, because knowledge is your biggest financial asset. Small, smart steps today create massive wealth tomorrow. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial freedom today.